Hello children, let's see about mitochondria and types of respiration. Mitochondria. The mitochondria were first discovered by Kolliker in 1857 as granular structures in striated muscles. What is striated muscles? It is skeletal muscles. Mitochondria are organelles within eukaryotic cells that produce adenosine triphosphate, which form the energy currency of the cell. For this reason, the mitochondria is referred as the powerhouse of the cell. It contains 60 to 70% of protein, 25 to 30% of lipids, 5 to 7% of RNA, and small amount of DNA and minerals. Structure of mitochondria. Mitochondrial membranes. It consists of two membranes. Inner mitochondrial membrane is semi-permeable membrane. What is semi-permeable membrane? It allows only the cell needed things and regulates the passage of materials into and outside of the mitochondria. Cristae. The inner mitochondrial membrane gives rise to finger-like projection called cristae. These cristae increase the inner surface area of the mitochondria to hold variety of enzymes. Mitochondrial matrix. It is a complex mixture of proteins and lipids. Matrix means fluid. Okay. Matrix contains enzymes for Krebs cycle, mitochondrial ribosomes, 70S, tRNAs, and mitochondrial DNA. Next, we will see about oxysomes. The inner mitochondrial membrane bear minute, regularly spaced, tennis racket shaped particles known as oxysomes. It is otherwise called F1 particle. They involve in ATP synthesis. What are the functions of mitochondria? Mitochondria is the main organelle of cell respiration. They produce a large number of ATP molecules. They are called as powerhouse of the cell or ATP factory of the cell. It helps the cells to maintain normal concentration of calcium ions. It regulates the metabolic activity of the cell. What is aerobic respiration? Aerobic respiration is the type of cellular respiration in which organic food is completely oxidized with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. It occurs in most plants and animals. Next, we'll see stages of aerobic respiration. What are the stages of aerobic respiration? There are three stages of aerobic respiration: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain. What is glycolysis? It is the breakdown of one molecule of glucose, 6 carbon, into two molecules of pyruvic acid, 3 carbon. Glycolysis takes place in cytoplasm of the cell. Krebs cycle. This cycle occurs in mitochondrial matrix. At the end of glycolysis, two molecules of pyruvic acid enter into mitochondria. Electron transport chain. This is accomplished through a system of electron transport located on the inner membrane of the mitochondria. Next, we will see anaerobic respiration. What is anaerobic respiration, children? Anaerobic respiration takes place without oxygen. Glucose is converted into ethanol in plants or lactate in some bacteria. What are respiratory quotient? Respiratory quotient is the ratio of volume of carbon dioxide liberated and the volume of oxygen consumed during respiration. It is expressed as RQ is equal to volume of carbon dioxide liberated by volume of oxygen consumed. Understood, children? Thank you.